As a part of the previous lecture, we understood what are columns and how do we refer those columns. And we did see by creating a data frame, how do we access the columns as well. As a part of this lecture, we'll understand how columns act as expressions. Let us get started. First and foremost thing is, what is an expression? Can you think of what is an expression? Expression is nothing but set of transformations on one or more values in a record in a data frame. We have seen transformation, right? What is transformation? Transformation is nothing but set of instructions to modify a data frame. In this case, expression is set of transformation, isn't it? So just a sequence. Transformation is set of instructions. Expression is set of transformations on one or more values in a record. Where are the records? They are in a data frame. What we are trying to see here is how the columns are expressions. So what we are saying is the columns are also expressions. If you remember, I did tell you that as a part of the data frame definition, columns also can be referred as an expressions. How and why, we'll see it in a bit. What we can do is we can select, we can manipulate, we can remove columns from data frames, and these operations are represented as expressions. How and why, we'll see in a bit. Assume there is a function which accepts one or two column names as an input, and also it resolves them and applies more expressions to create a single value or a result. That is a function. Function also, in a way, we can refer it as an expression. Whatever the single value which is being produced as a part of this whole expression can also be a complex type like a map or array. It is not only int or some other simple primitive data types. It can be even map or array also. If you look at this example, we are seeing a expression of a column 1 can be referred as a column 1. For example, what we are trying to do here is column 1 is the column which we are referring to, and the way we are referring to that is expression of a column 1 is equivalent to column of a column 1. The point is expression is nothing but a call, C-O-L, call. Now we have a columns. Columns provide a subset of an expression. When I say expression is nothing but a function which takes one or more column names as an input, resolves them and applies some transformations and produce some single value as an output, right? In the same way, columns also do the same thing. That is what the point we are trying to make here. When we are using an expression, the expr function or expression function can actually parse the transformations and column references from a string, and that will be subsequently passed on to the further transformations. For example, we are seeing an expression. We have some column -5. What is it? It is a nothing but a transformation, right? This is a transformation. So what expression is trying to do here is it is parsing this transformation and column references. Ideally, we are not referring any call here, but we have provided this as a part of the string. Yet expression is able to parse this transformation and also column references, perform the transformation, and subsequently pass this the result of this to subsequent transformations. In the same way, this is also the same thing. Only thing is the way we are referring is different. This is equivalent to call some column -5, which is also equivalent to this. All these three mean the same thing. Key points to remember is columns are just expressions. So columns and transformations of those columns compile to the same logical plan as parsed expressions. What it means is, let us say you are trying to refer one particular column and create a expression out of it. Columns and also transformations of these columns whichever we are referring to compile to the same logical plan. In this example, what we are trying to do here is we are taking one particular column and adding 5 to that and multiplying this whole result with the 200. Then this whole result is getting subtracted by 6, and that we are trying to compare with one more column. This and this are same. How it is? Let us say how exactly the Spark builds a logical tree out of both of these expressions. The first thing is some column. We are adding 5 to that. then the result of this will be multiplied with 200. Result of that will be used to deduct 6 from this result. Further, result of this will be compared with the other column, whether it is less than that particular column or not. So both of these will result in a same logical tree. We understood how columns are an expression. Columns can be referred as expressions. How columns work as an expression. Thank you.